Welcome back, viewers. Today we have an incredible story that has captivated audiences for centuries. We're diving into the depths of Greek mythology to uncover the fascinating tale of the Trojan Horse. Get ready to witness one of history's greatest deceptions unfold before your eyes. Let's begin. Our story takes place during the legendary Trojan War, a conflict between the Greeks and Trojans. It all began when Paris, a Trojan prince, abducted Helen, the beautiful queen of Sparta. The Greeks, led by King Menelaus, demanded her return, but the Trojans refused. Thus, 10 long years of war ensued. As the war dragged on, both sides struggled to gain the upper hand. The Greeks devised a cunning plan with the help of the wise Odysseus. They built a massive wooden horse as an offering to the gods, leaving it outside the gates of Troy. The Trojans, unaware of the deceit, debated whether to accept this peculiar gift. Against the advice of the Trojan seer, Laocoon, the Trojans decided to bring the horse inside their city walls. They believed it to be a symbol of their victory over the Greeks. Little did they know, this was a pivotal moment that would seal their fate. The horse was wheeled into the heart of Troy, with the Greeks hidden inside. As night fell, the Greek warriors emerged from the horse, opening the city gates to their comrades. In a lightning-fast attack, the Greeks overpowered the unsuspecting Trojans. The city of Troy, once thought to be impenetrable, fell into ruins. The Trojan War had finally come to an end, but at a great cost. The Greeks celebrated their victory, while the Trojans mourned their fallen city. This legendary tale teaches us valuable lessons about the consequences of deception, the importance of trust, and the power of unity. And there you have it, the incredible story of the Trojan Horse. This ancient tale continues to inspire and intrigue us to this day. Join us next time as we uncover more fascinating stories from the annals of history. Until then, stay curious, stay engaged, and keep exploring the wonders of the past. Thank you for watching.